It was a beautiful morning. Sophie and her family were happy together.
The sky looks strange today.
A big storm may be coming.
Soon, the rain became stronger and stronger.
Huh?
It's really coming down.
The water is getting higher.
Stay calm, everyone.
The family had to leave their home and move to a safer place.
Buddy! Where are you? We have to find him.
Sophie could not leave without her best friend.
Buddy!
At last, she found him. We are together again.
That is what matters most. They lost many things, but they did not lose each other. Kind people came together to help one another. Sometimes life is hard, but love, hope, and family make us strong.
As long as we are together, we are home.